Hello and welcome to episode 3, a installment I call Crazy Sneakers, because I'm super interested in just finding out the craziest sneakers I can find and showcasing them here for everybody else to have a look at them. Bearing that in mind, the pair of shoes I have today, here they are. You already know, holy box, which means one thing and one thing only. Oh, hello. What the Off-White Nike collaboration on the Waffle Racer SP. This is the white colorway, so they dropped in 3 different colorways. There was a blue and yellow, there was like a black and pink, and there's this one right here. That is crazy. These are some straight trash bag looking shoes. This is like the 3rd release from Off-White and Nike that features this spike. They first released the Terracotta 5. They had these spikes. Then more recently they released the Vapor Streets. And the Vapor Streets came in the same colorways as these 3, and this is the most recent one, and I can definitely tell you these look worse in hand than in pictures. Yes, they're women's shoes, but it's still, they come in men's sizes as well. In terms of sizing, if you're actually interested in getting a pair, you pretty much just go 1.5 sizes up. So me, a size 9, I got a 10.5 in the women's size, and they fit fine, but in terms of how comfortable this shoe is a whole nother question. What I will say is, from trying these on, every step, because of these spikes are really soft, so you basically either move inwards or outwards slightly. From when you press your weight down into the shoe, it kind of slides out a little bit. Feel incredibly unpractical when you wear them. I can't imagine anyone is running in these either, because these are like track spikes on the bottom. These 3 pairs of the Waffle Racers released on December 12th. Retail is $150, £130. If you want a pair, they're still up on Nike. Go grab a pair if you want them. It feels really like flimsy, and there's like no support when you're standing in it. I didn't even know what to wear it with for the on foot. I was like, what am I supposed to pair this with? Of course, it's like heavy deconstructed vibes, and that's what a lot of Off-White shoes have. So the zip tie is a plastic material with like this felt material on top or stuck to it. Have the lacing system conventional. Obviously you have says shoelaces in quotation marks on the normal ones, and on your secondary pair, because in 2019 we need 2 pairs of laces on one shoe. Just one ain't enough, we need 2. It almost looks like they're supposed to be attached to like some sort of fly wire like you would see on other Nike shoes. Midsole is this kind of like hard foam material, pretty hard, not much give in that. And obviously the outsole is these track spikes. And of course, printed on top of the trash bag material, you have Off-White for Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. And it says C.2019. In all honesty, yeah, I mean, don't waste your time. If you're super into this look, go for it. More power to you, but it is unpractical. It feels pretty trash on feet. In my opinion, it doesn't look very good. It's not like even the Terracigers look better than these. even the Zoom Vapor Streets, whatever the hell they're called, even the Vapor Streets look better than this, in my opinion. Like I was saying with the sizing, so it says W Waffle Racer, which obviously is women's Waffle Racer SP. But if you look at the sizing, it says 10.5 women's and a 9 in men's. It's flimsy and plasticky, and like you have this super thin midsole or like sole area, and then you just have all of this fabric like squishing out, which I think looks super ugly. If you were unhappy with this Off-White release, there are some bangers coming up. Namely the Off-White Dunks. They're releasing this month, December, sometime after Christmas, so look out for those. And then you have the Off-White Jordan 5s. They're releasing, I don't actually know when. I think they're rumored to release sometime soon. We've seen a few renders of those and a few pictures from different people. That is the end of the video. The quicker I can get these out of my sight, the better. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Actually, next time I've got some banging shoes coming up next. Yeah, if you want to see that, how do you see my next video? Gotta subscribe.